welcome back to my channel. If you read about the title, y'all already know we are reviewing Luvme hair. Now y'all, they have a wig in here that's supposed to be no headaches, so we're gonna see how it is. But before we get into this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. We on the road to 1,500, y'all. And I do want to say thank you, Luvme Hair, for sending me this wig and sponsoring today's video. Let's go ahead and get into this review because I am very excited because no headaches, baby. They own to something.
I've been throw up the sex in and I can put you in.
Now, if you don't know who Luvme Hair is, y'all, they've been in the game for a very long time. They've been giving great quality wigs, top-notch colors, installations, great lace, everything of that nature, y'all. They always got the good wigs, the best wigs, and a lot of celebrities also wear them. So we got one today, so let's see what they got coming out, y'all, that will be worth trying. I also love their packaging. I have a little note. They also came with a comb and a wig cap, y'all. Y'all know I love me a good wig cap, but the comb is top tier, and the comb also have Luvme Hair right there if y'all can see it. Great marketing. Of course, everything is purple because y'all know they love some purple. We have the wig right here. Actually got 26 inches. It looks like it's already been pre-plucked, pre-done. And yeah, let's go ahead, take this out of the packaging and see how it is. So here are the knots, y'all. It's already pre-bleached and it looks like it's already pre-plucked actually in the front, and we love that. Mine actually is a side part, which is what we love, but you can customize it to a middle, a zigzag, whatever you want it to be, y'all, and it will still turn out amazing. Now the overall quality of this hair is so good, so curly. Like, look how full that is, y'all. I can just run my fingers through it with no problem, and that is great right outside the packaging. So I do want to talk about a little benefit. So the wig actually comes with a band already, y'all. That is a plus. But what I am noticing that it comes with an adjustable like wig cappage style. Like if you have like a smaller head or a bigger head, you can go out. Like this is a large, and I'm pretty sure the middle one is medium and this one is a small. So I want to see how it will fit over my hair because baby, they made it sure that it can fit all head sizes, which is what we love. Another thing I noticed, y'all, this is supposed to be the ear line part. So they got it set to the where it goes around your ear and you don't have to worry about it being on top of your ear or pushing it back and making a little lump. I do love that. The inside stitching alone is so good, so y'all don't really have to worry about that. But I'm like intrigued that they got this, and this band is removable. If you do not like bands and it fits your head just right, you have a removable band, which is great. And you can also customize the band. So not only do you have to worry about your band being too tight or too loose or anything, you are able to customize it. So not only do you have a customizable band, but you also have a customizable cap, as you can see. So they trying to go on with it, trying to give the girls some tea, because what is this? So they really just out here doing the thing, y'all. They give you 2 ways to tighten up this wig so it won't be harsh on your head. You don't have to worry about adding a band because it comes with one. Like overall, this is a very innovative and effective wig, which is put on and go. So we're gonna try to do that tonight. While I'm sitting here like playing with the wig, just trying to get a feel of it, I realized the comb right here, if my camera focus, this comb is removable. Like all you gotta do is like, I think what, pull up, and it comes off. They thought of everything. They literally thought of everything, y'all, because there's no way you can have a headache if their comb's removable. Like, I see what they doing. I see what they're doing. The hair is slicked back, and we're gonna go ahead and put the wig on before we do any customizing to see exactly how it is. Like first impressions. First impressions, no customizing or anything, y'all. I like a brand new woman. Like I look like a brand new woman. This is what we looking like right now. Of course, I gotta go in and do some little bit of customizing and do my little thing. The wig does feel secure, y'all. I did not change up anything, no measurements or anything, y'all, and it feels so secured. So here's the earpiece part, y'all. Like right there, how like it's like under, like it's not like sitting on top of the ear. I love that. So far, do love. The hair is soft. Like baby, this hair is super soft. I love the feel of the hair. I love the quality of the hair. Like it's just so flowy, so bouncy, so everything, y'all. So let's go in and touch on some of this lace. Y'all, look at this wig. What if I told y'all I only put powder in the front? And look how good it blended in. Now it's a little too far back, y'all, so if we need to pull it up, we can. But that blended in so good. Like, oh my gosh, y'all. So, ooh, this is gonna eat down, but the hair is still soft. I still love everything about it, y'all. I am trying to decide if I'm gonna add like curls because it looks good like without any, but it's so soft. Like, y'all, look how my brush go through this hair. This is some really good hair. The hair so full, so thick. Yeah, and once again, y'all, I got 26 inches, so she full. I realized that I did not show y'all like the middle part or anything, y'all, so let me show y'all how full this wig is. So that'll be a good middle part, y'all. It would be so flat, y'all. Like, I want to do a middle part so bad, but I'm gonna stick to side because side part looks good. But yeah, this wig is full. Let me show you like a deep side part so y'all won't think I'm lying. Ooh, but yeah, this is deep, y'all. It would be so full regardless. Now I do want to talk about the pulling of the hair. Like, y'all see, the wig is not moving anywhere, and I really do love that, especially when you want to curl the hair. In a sense, you don't have to worry about the wig sliding off or doing anything crazy, which is a good thing. I'm tugging and it's moving there, but when I like, it don't come off. All right, y'all, so I cut a little bit of layers in the hair, curled it up. This side I feel really bad, but yeah, the hair looks good. What y'all think? I truly love it. It's really like a throw on and go wig, and I've had it on for a couple of hours now. I had it on for maybe like 3 hours or so, y'all, and baby, the hair still looks good, and my head is not tight. It's not doing anything crazy, which I love, because really after an hour my head be like, take it off. But other than that, y'all, the wig is on and secure. The hair is so full. It's literally 26 inches. Once again, y'all, it is so full. I cut layers in it. It did not move. Everything they said the wig was supposed to do, baby, it did it. And I truly love it. But y'all, let me know in the comments what you all think about this hair, about this wig. Do y'all think it's worth purchasing? Me personally, I do. I truly like it. But y'all, let me in the comments what y'all think. Once again, thank you Luvme Hair for sponsoring this video. Now y'all know I could not leave without giving y'all a discount. Y'all check out the link down below to purchase this wig or any other wigs, y'all, and make sure you use code RUD for 28% off. Now y'all, let me know in the comments what you all think about this wig. Is it full? Is it giving what it's supposed to give? Y'all let me know, because me personally, it definitely does what it said it was gonna do. I love the mechanism behind it. It's really a great quality wig, because Luvme Hair is all about quality and efficiency, y'all. So this is definitely a popping go wig for the girlies who want to just snatch it off and put it back on. I ain't one of those girls, because y'all see the wig is actually glueless, so let's not forget that. But yeah, thank you all for watching, and once again, thank you Luvme Hair for sponsoring today's video, and I will see y'all later with a new video. Bye.